How to convert or make a video into a photo in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to make a video into a photo in CapCut, follow the simple steps. First of all, head over to your CapCut application. Then after, tap on New Video. Tapping on it, select the video that you want to change into a photo. Then after, tap on the video. Once you tap on it, you can use the slider to select the frame that you want to keep as photo. Doing so, the video will convert into segments or frame that you can keep or save as a photo. So select the frame size that you want to keep and then you can tap on export. This way the video will be converted into a photo. Likewise, for the next step, you can take a screenshot. To do so, tap on the full screen button and then take the screenshot from the frame that you want to keep as photo. And these are the two ways by which you can convert or make a video into a photo in CapCut. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.